We are. Welcome back, ladies and gents. Hope everyone's doing great, doing well. It is a Friday evening, starting the vlog on a Friday again. If you watched the last video and by any chance believed what I was saying, I humbly apologize. What makes you do you know what someone's gonna have to give me for those wheels, guys? Honestly, I remember with the suspension it collapsed. This is the rear suspension collapsed, and then it just came out a bit too lekker. I had to snake you guys a little. They're back and better than ever. Well, this is random. I'm busy with and okay, Supra spotted on a faster car than the Supra, but I had to snake you guys just a little bit. Car's clean now after the straight by weekend. As you can see, even right through the wheels are squint. Just a little bit straight by aftermath. I think I'm gonna have to pull this out. I cleaned it last night, but I think I'm gonna need to pull these wheels off and clean this properly, because just like it, my bro. Hectic. And it's only this side. My word.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame.
So yeah, ladies and gents, that is the reality. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not too sure on camera if it actually picks it all up. But once they done the color change on the wheels, I was like, this is what I'm gonna go for now. It's a lot smoother. They done the color change on the one wheel, and then by accident, and then I was like, yeah, might as well do all of them that color. So they did. Anyway, we're on our way to the Unity in Diversity Park of number 2 out in Bonn Island tonight. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's where car culture, Cape Town car culture gets involved with City of Cape Town, which I think is pretty cool. I wasn't able to make it last time. I wasn't able to view it last time, so let's check it out this time. I'm pretty sure it will be a banger. From what I saw last time, it seemed to have been pretty cool. We need to stop for fuel because we are still on the same fuel expressway, which is surprising. She really looks quite menacing. My word. I must say now, I have completely fallen in love with this car all over again. Really, Cool is that? It's a one line in the sky. The simulation's breaking, folks. Also for the Subi lovers, there's a fuzzy. What a gorgeous country we live in. Third place I'm driving through now that's got load shedding. Wow. At least you can admire the sunset. It's a new RS3 going, and I think the end at the most that went that way. What's up, my G? How's it? Man, this is mad. We got Mr. Lexus with his 2 cars. There's the old man Teddy. Spooky. Yo, odd. This is actually cool. Oh yeah, Tracy. What's up? We got the boys from Radio over here. Oh, it's 2. Just like it, my boy. This is cool. This is mad. Oh wait, what's up, G? Yo, my bro. Look at this thing. Are you the nuts? Yo, my bro. What the flip? Look here, just colored with these neons on. How's that, uncle? Look, man. Johnny's over here with a 2J. Okay, there's Shay. Hello, Uncle Shay. Oh, here we got 80. We got Alex parked up over here. Alex's legs are sore. You like the new wheels? You see 80 with these new wheels again? What's up? V2, my boy. Here's another East 2000. Yes.
Oh, it's original.
Yes. Oh, Josh.
Oh,
80. And Andy from Valtrio. And look what they're keeping me out with, guys. Are you nuts? I am pumped. That's cute. Thank you. And a Kia for Tim.
Don't do it!
I haven't seen him in such a long time.
Don't! Do a battle now!
Do a backflip! What? Just stop. There's someone revving the trumpet. S1000. Visto. This is Tassie. No, it's not Tassie. Never mind. Please stop. Okay. Okay. So over there we've got the Mr. Gondari. With a very loud, fast diesel bucket. Yeah, it's a name here. Never mind the Z. Jeez. There's a Z. Yo, it's a pretty Z though. Is that an HR? Can someone answer the question? Is that an HR? Mr. Conradi. That thing sounds sexy, my dude. Just realized this thing is mad pretty, but... Oh, it's a Z! Spinning his tires, my dude! Shout out Soda Pop. Sheesh. Oh, yes. That's so pretty before and after. There's a Vert 350, I think. I can't see actually. Yeah, it's a Vert 350. The phone can see better than me. There's another 350. Whoa, here's Ali Graham. Here's Uncle Alec and Uncle Shay.
Yeah, it's mine.
Hello, Uncle Shay.
Hello.
Did I just see a flame? I think I saw a flame. I see Oscar. What's up, Oscar? Missed an odd 8 doing his lawn control, but it's not the Lambo, so it's fine. Aaron and Angelica are here. They are now engaged, so congrats down in the comments. Wow, look at that! Oh, this is nice. Yes, I want one of these. I want one of these in the boosted. I think this one's boosted, to be honest. Yep, it's boosted. Yay! Again, one more! Soft limiter. Soft limiter.
Not launch.
Hi.
I mean, it's gonna go that way.
No, bro, it's a BM. I don't trust it like a Mustang.
I mean, I'll jump into it.
Aaron, your car's slow, mate. I don't care about that, bro. Look at this Avant. Sheesh. I do good dog.
Like, because I'm getting one.
Whoa, what mode is he running with that
Tom
turbo?
Yoder?
It's a Yoder. Where's Johnny? Uncle Yusuf, Uncle Johnny?
Right?
How's it, folks? Oh, we cut the cob. He's
Look for my car.
trying to be like Shay.
A Corby. Why does it look like a Corby?
A pop-up, man.
It doesn't fucking work. Put the bigger hole needed.
Uncle, where's your voice?
I got you.
I haven't picked it up yet. I've been on this hole. Never mind. Did I get this fox? Did I get this fox? Say it again. Oh, look at this. Go squat pull through, my bro. Was it 330? A 330? No, it's a 330. That's a nice 330. Look on the phone. Anyway, he blew his tire. He pulled the U. He pulled the U.
That's what she says.
We are cozy.
What's been happening?
I want to go see him blow another tire.
Yeah, we can't do that,
Yeah, boys. Change the tire, boys. Pit crew of the year. Where's Luigi when you need him?
Can I borrow your spare?
No, man.
They fucking lifted the fucking car though.
Ooh, face off. German versus Jap.
What do you do for a living?
Ethan, come and cut your springs. Swing it. It's got some long gears, my guy.
That's a swap. That's not an MT.
Oh, I didn't
There's
say
an
that.
engine.
Ooh! That one's nice. I like this. This is so. Oh, oh shit, that's close!
And the other one's low.
No, it was just very close.
Oh shit.
Make a bum bum bum. Fact, no? Ashton's car looks so good now. And this car has featured before. That one was rowdy. That one was rowdy. Why are you not talking? Mercedes! Oh, that's why his hazards are on. This man cannot behave. I would. That's pretty. Ezra, there's no way. It's a CVR. It's a one I got the pipe in the middle. It's got the pipe in the middle. That's man. Where did you get this? Where? You got rid of your car, now you got this. Oh, okay, I see you.
Why does 600 he can run?
I can run. And then I went that way, and then and now I'm here.
The cast will come later.
Ah, yes, then too. I would only want tonight.
Alright, that's that. It is a gorgeous Sunday morning. It's actually quite hot outside. I forgot to end the vlog and I saw that now while I was busy editing. Thanks Ben. Now the bike is bitten and now on the bike. My birthday is in March and I want one by March. End of March maybe. We'll see what happens. Anyway, catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Cheers.